Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kritika Nila. In this fashion find episode, I have a lot of white t-shirts. You must be wondering why all the t-shirts are white. Well, just like every other girl, even I also feel, and I say it every time, that white color is such a versatile color. It works with each and everything. You can dress it up, dress it down. You can make it into a formal wear, you can turn it into a party wear. But the major problem is the white t-shirts or anything white is mostly transparent and see-through, which I despise. So this time we are on a hunt for a good white t-shirt which is not see-through, and let's see which one wins. Now let's start with this one. So the first t-shirt is from a brand name Chemistry and in size S. Let's see how well it goes. Okay, I think we have started off really strong because this is not at all see-through, plus the quality is very nice. I have never really tried this brand before, but like I am totally impressed with this one. And you can see the stuff, it's like a little bit elasticated and you can feel the quality. Like when I touched it, I knew that this is going to be really good, but like this good, I mean, it's not at all transparent. By the way, all of these t-shirts are under 500 rupees, so it won't hurt your budget as well. And yeah, I'm sticking to the budget part as well, so yeah, I really like it, and I'm gonna give this 9 on 10 because trust me, it's very good. Okay, moving on to our cult favorite brand, H&M. How could I miss this brand? So I have this t-shirt and I bought this in size XS. Let's see how well this one goes. This is our next t-shirt, and I believe you can see it already that this is a little transy, though I own different colors in this particular variant, and they are not transy at all just because they are like colors, if you know what I mean. But since it is white, I mean, it is white, it is transy enough to make you wear something inside this. You need to layer something in this because you can totally see your delicates through this, so it's a no for me. And talking about rating, I'm gonna rate it maybe 5 out of 10, because 5 also because the fabric is actually very breathable and it won't get too loose from like this part or like in general. इसको कितना भी कैसे भी रगड़ के धो लो, ये बिल्कुल खराब नहीं होता है fabric wise, because I own a lot of t-shirts in this color, so I know this, but I'm gonna pass on this one. Moving on, I have this t-shirt from a very well known brand. It is from Bewakoof and I got this in size XS, so I have my hopes high because Bewakoof is known for their t-shirts particularly, so I hope this is good. This is our next t-shirt, and honestly this didn't disappoint me that much because it is just a little bit transy. However, you can just make work with it. Also, I want to give you this like a brilliant tip. Just to wear some muted color garment or maybe some skin color garment over some dark or like deep color solid color garment, because they will reflect through white t-shirts, because it does. So yeah, that's just a little tip. Now talking about this one, the fabric is nice, it's breathable, it's lightweight, so perfect for the summer season as well. Also, since you don't have to layer something, it's again super great. Now I'm gonna rate it like a 7.5 out of 10 because I feel like there is a scope for improvement in this. It could be more good, more better. So yeah, that's it. Moving on, I have this next t-shirt from a brand named Must and Harbor. So I kind of like this brand, but not too much because इसकी कुछ चीज़ें अच्छी होती हैं and कुछ are like literally conflicting. But I really like it, and देखने से it feels like it's not gonna be see-through. I bought this in size XS by the way, so let's try this. Okay, this is our next t-shirt, and honestly I am so impressed because this is so good. The quality is good, the fit is perfect, and this is a crop t-shirt but it's not too short and it's just the perfect length to make you feel comfortable in this. And talking about the see-through wala part, no, it's not. It's just perfect, and like I don't think कि इससे better quality हमें कहीं मिल सकती है, because it is like so damn good. You don't need to wear anything inside this, you don't have to layer, and I hate that part so much. So I mean, this is again a really good one, just like the first one that we have tried. So I'm gonna give this again a solid 9.5 maybe. I was thinking of 9, but let's rate it 9.5, it deserves this. Moving on, we have this t-shirt from brand name Wen Sen, and I bought this in size, okay, I bought this in size S, and let's see how this one goes. This is our next t-shirt. Okay, I'm gonna say it is good enough, but I feel I just have a conflicting thought over this. I'm not really sure how to go about this, but I feel it's a little transy, not too much, not very little, but like it's more than a little. I don't know how to explain it, but yeah, like let me give you a demonstration. Like if you see it like this, no, it's not that transy. But like if I like do this, it is transy. So I mean, I'm gonna agree to the fact that you'll say that if you stretch any of these, the good ones also, they will like kind of will be see through. But I don't know. I'm not really sure about this one, but and for that I'm gonna rate it a solid 8 out of 10, which is not bad at all. I like it, but I'm not really sure about this. So yeah, although quality wise I feel it's actually really nice. It feels stretchy. It's like super stretchy, and the quality is nice. It feels so comfortable to wear. Feels breathable as well. The fit is also nice. So we are left with last two t-shirts. By the way, this one is from the brand named Mischief Monkey, and I bought this in size XS. Yeah, let's see how this one goes. It's a little too big for me. It's oversized, but it feels like extra oversized. Let's try this. Okay, this is the next t-shirt. Firstly, it is way too oversized for me. I feel I'm a really tiny person and it's way too long for me. But other than that, it's actually not at all see-through, though the fabric I would say it's not a mixture. It's a proper, I guess, pure cotton wala material. So I feel it's gonna make you sweat during the summer season. If you wear this during those peak summer time, you cannot. I can guarantee you cannot. I mean, I feel that this is like a little thick fabric wise, but overall if you are considering to wear this in this particular like a rainy kind of this season, you can go with this totally. And yeah, it's not at all see-through. It's actually very great. I'm gonna give this a proper like a 9.5 out of 10 because it's not at all see-through, and we are doing this video to find out the main cause, which is like the see-through part, and I am rating all the t-shirts on that basis only. So yeah, towards our last and final one, I bought this from a brand named The Roadster Company. Yes, The Roadster Company, and I bought this in size S. Let's try this. This is our last and final t-shirt. I don't mind this asymmetrical cut in it. I mean, I feel this is like a little more cool and funky, but it is transy and I don't like that part. Also, I feel fabric is fine. It's not too good, not too bad. So it's just fine. So according to that, I'm gonna rate it maybe 6.5 out of 10 because I mean this is like see-through. I don't know how much you can see it, but like this is definitely see-through enough to make you wear something inside this. You have to actually wear something inside this. So final conclusion, final verdict over this. So I found the first one perfect. It is worth buying, the one from the brand named Chemistry. Secondly, if I talk about the other t-shirt, is gonna be this one from Must and Harbor. And again, I love the quality so much, and it's not at all see-through. It's super comfortable as well. And also, if you are looking something for a little more windy kind of a weather, like some cold sort of a weather, you can go with this t-shirt, this oversized one, which I got from the Mischief Monkey. And yeah, these are all the t-shirts which I consider worth buying. They are worth the money because they are white t-shirts, and investing in a good white t-shirt makes your wardrobe functional, easier to style. And you know, I just hate the hassle of layering something and make the t-shirt comfortable. I don't know, I just don't get that concept. It should be enough on its own. And yeah, that's it. And with that, we have come to an end of this video. I hope you enjoyed the video and found something for yourself, because if you did, I am really happy to help you guys with white t-shirt. I hope this guiding video was actually beneficial for you guys. It was fruitful because trust me, finding a good perfect white t-shirt is essential. So yeah, and if you like this video, make sure to hit the subscribe button and share it with your friends and family. You can also follow me on my Instagram handle KritikaRula_. Essentially, I'm a fashion content creator and I post religiously on my Instagram about fashion finds, tips, tricks, inspiration, everything around fashion. So if fashion excites you as much as it does to me, you must follow me there. Until then, bye.